that pole is about to fall off.
It was wobbling when it was on there. We could have seen Jacob's eyes. He used to crush on his mouth with that ollie.
Scoot over that way so you can see the limb coming off.
Mom goes like this.
You need to be off to the side because you can't see the ball over the top of the can. Come over here. Yeah, there you go, right here. He does. Oh, he's gonna video it.
Dad.
Turn, Jacob, turn.
He's right in my way.